Hello friend, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, Haryana, MP and any another state, then it is most important exam point of view. Question number 56. Define achievement test. What are the steps of constructing achievement? Question is define achievement test. Illustrate the steps for the construction of an achievement test with blueprint. Achievement test. Achievement is the word preferred in the educational or psychometrics field. It sometimes characterized by the degree of inference required on the part of the student to give a response and by the type of reference to a cognitive process made explicit in the measurement tool. Achievement test assess the knowledge, abilities and skill that are at the center of direct instruction in school. According to Super, a achievement test or proficiency test is used to ascertain what and how much has been learned or how well a task can perform. According to Freeman, achievement test is a test designed to measure knowledge, understanding and a skill in a specified subject or a group of subject. Okay. Next point is a step of construction of achievement test. Okay. First, planning the test. Planning of achievement test will be carried out with the help of following two steps. These are designing of test. Designing is most important step in the building test. Designer should be careful about planning and making test successful. He should keep this in mind that how and what types of questions are used. He has to decide weightage for different objectives and units in the course. Following points helps designer to design test in systematic way. First, identification of objectives. Second, measurement of content. Third, allotment of time. D, allotment of marks. E, include multiple choice questions. And F, emphasize on each subject and area of question. सेकेंड पॉइंट, ब्लूप्रिंट प्रिपरेशन कैसे करते हैं? प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ब्लूप्रिंट. आफ्टर डिजाइनिंग द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ब्लूप्रिंट इज स्टार्टेड. इट इज द लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ द प्लानिंग ऑफ टेस्ट. हेयर टेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर put various type of question in blueprint and allow them marks depending on the time. The tester writes down his decision in the form of blueprint. Next point is preparing preliminary draft. Preliminary draft is prepared by following three stages. First, item writing. It is an important step in preliminary draft and here blueprint is used as a guide writing. This draft test conductor should have following point in mind when he writes items for preliminary draft. A, each item contains single idea. B, questions should be clear. C, simple and easy to understand. D, double barreled questions should be avoided. E. Arrangement of atoms should be from simple to complex. And F. Subjective questions should also be avoided. Second point, item editing. Then the item should be edited and reviewed by language teacher and also by experts of measurement. Language teacher will check the error in a language and defect in words. By removing defects, it is submitting to experts of measurement measure the level of achievement of atoms. Third point, pre-try out. The draft is modified and removes the shortcoming of preliminary draft. In this stage, constructor is confident for the usability of test. Okay. Next point, try out. Okay. To ensure the proper operating of test items and to remove shortcoming, it is essential to have try out of items. This help in predict how a student will work in actual practices. At the try out stage, the test should be so timed that nearly 90% of the simple should be able to attempt all the items of the test. The test sheet along with answer sheets are collected and answer sheets are used for scoring with the help of a scoring key. Keep following point in mind while testing in sample. First point, proper seating arrangement. Second, time of administrating the test. Third, total time required for test. And fourth, proper motivation with the pupil. Now we will discuss about atom analysis. Okay. In this stage, test constructor examining the response of respondents in the sample to each test atom. It can also be defined as it is a statistical procedure by which the appropriate atoms are selected for the final draft and poor atoms are rejected. Atoms analysis is an analysis of responses made to teacher made tests by the pupil in the class. Fifth point, final draft. Now we will discuss about final draft. Okay. In the final draft, questions should be arranged in such way that easy, average and difficult and again starts from easy and so on. By doing this, a student at least go through whole test because he know that some of remaining questions are easy. When the test is arranged properly with the help of principal, a clear identifier of test is appeared. Sixth point, establishment of reliability, validity and norms. Okay, norms. With the selection of good items, final draft has been prepared and the final step is the establishment of reliability, validity and norms. These test items administered to a larger sample. First point, reliability. The reliability of a test measures whatever it measures. There are many methods for computing the reliability of a test, and the most appropriate method for computing reliability of achievement test is split half method. Okay. Now we will discuss about validity. It is very important aspect of test and it can be determined as the degree which is capable of measuring achievement and it is designed to do so. Valid test is highly reliable. Validity is measured by four methods. Okay. First point, face validity, content validity, concurrent validity, and the predictive validity. Norms. It is average score of sample population. These are the level obtained by a particular group of person on a test. There are many types of norms like age norm, grade norm, percentile norm, and standard scores. Thank you friends. Hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.